So that is the disadvantage of, that is one of the limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, understood. The third limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table is atomic masses do not increase in a regular manner going from one element to next. So it does not see, that means here, see here, look at here, the carbon and nitrogen, what's the difference between it is 12.01, somewhat 2, almost 2 grams in a difference. And what about nitrogen? Here there is only 1 gram difference. So that means what he was trying to say, that see, when moving from one element to another element, there is no fixed number. How many what is the mass unit that is to be increased when moving from one element to the another element? There is no fixed mass is given here. So since no fixed mass is given here, we cannot say how many more elements can be found between. Anyway, the discoveries were going on at that time. So since there is no limit for the different limit for how to move from one element to the another element, there is no mass difference. See here, here the mass difference is 2, here the mass difference is 1, here the mass difference is 2, 15 to 18, here the mass difference is 3, here 22 to 24, the mass difference is 2, here 24 to 29, the mass difference is 5. So there is no regular increase in mass. There is no regular increase in mass. Since there is no regular increase in mass, we cannot say that how many more elements can be identified between these two elements. See, between magnesium and aluminum, I can find another element maybe discovered having a mass of 25, maybe 26, maybe 27, maybe 28. Where shall I place all them? I should place all of them between magnesium and aluminum. If I am placing all these, then between them the properties may be different. So there is a problem like that. So there is no regular, so the atomic masses do not increase in a regular manner on going from one element to the next. So it was not possible to predict how many more elements could be discovered between two elements, especially when you are considering the heavier elements like this. Now the fourth. There are 4 limitations. The fourth limitation is that you know that Mendeleev's periodic table is based on increasing atomic mass. That means what? When you are placing from hydrogen, then lithium, when you are moving from lithium, beryllium, 6, 9, 10, 12, 14. See, that means increasing atomic mass, right? Okay, elements are placed in the increasing atomic mass. But you look at here, iron is having a mass of 55.85. Then cobalt 58.93. Nickel 58.71. Where should I place nickel? I should have placed nickel. Sorry, Mendeleev should have placed nickel where? Before cobalt. Mendeleev should have placed nickel before cobalt, because cobalt is 58.93 and it is 58.71. Which one is lower? Obviously 58.71 is lower. So 58, nickel should be placed before cobalt, but he has not placed so because he was trying to place elements with the same chemical properties. When he was so one of the property of his Mendeleev's periodic table was that elements having same chemical properties are grouped together. So when he was trying to put the elements with the same chemical properties together in a group, he could not strictly follow the increase in atomic mass. He could not strictly follow the increase in atomic mass. So that was a limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table. So these are the 4 limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. First one is there is no fixed position. No fixed position could be given to the hydrogen in the periodic table, because in some properties hydrogen resembled that of alkali metals and some it resembled that of halogens. Now the second was that he could not give a correct position for the isotopes, because there were many isotopes were discovered, so he could not give a correct position for the isotopes. Then atomic masses did not increase in a correct order, so regular order, so he could not say that how many more elements could be discovered in between them. And finally, even the Mendeleev periodic table followed increasing atomic mass, at some places increasing atomic mass was not favored. Thank you. Hope you have understood. Listen to the video, then write the notes and send to me.